Oppo's subsequent technology foldable cell phone will no longer have a hassle with regard to the exterior display and the creases on the folding display, the Employer government said. The smartphone in question should be the Oppo Find N2, which is expected to be the successor of the Find N. The government similarly goes on to say that the business enterprise is planning to work on making their products greater sustainable. According to an Before report, the Oppo Find N2 has been codenamed White Swan, and ought to be launched this year. Pete Law, chief product officer at Oppo and founder of OnePlus, lately took to Weibo, the Chinese microblogging website, to share that the next technology foldable telephone from Oppo will now not have any issues with its outer display, or with the creases of the folding display. Law went on to discuss about Oppo's plans to make their merchandise extra sustainable. The Oppo government also talked about the hardware determination and technical planning about their products. The foldable smartphone being talked about above ought to be the Oppo Find N2, which is anticipated to succeed the Oppo Find N. As per a recent report, the Oppo Find N2 has been codenamed White Swan. It is stated to both function a Qualcomm Snapdragon or a MediaTek Dimensity SoC, depending on the market. It could reportedly activity displays with a 120 Hz refresh rate. As per some other report, Oppo is additionally working on a clamshell foldable smartphone, which is tipped to launch later this year. The organization is but to reveal the specs and a definite launch timeline for each the rumored foldable phones from Oppo. To recall, Oppo Find N was once launched in China in December last year. The foldable telephone sports a 5.49-inch outer OLED show with 18:9 issue ratio. The folding display is a 7.1-inch touchscreen with a 120 Hz refresh price and LTPO technology. It is powered by using a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC, coupled with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 3.1 inbuilt storage.